Hello students, welcome back to our channel. So here in this video we are going to discuss about the Rdbms introduction because it's a explanation video of Rdbms means introduction. In this video I will tell the basic concepts which you are having in your Rdbms subject. Rdbms subject means Relational Database Management System is your subject name, and this subject is only for BCom Computer Application students of Usmania University in semester 3. This subject will not be there for the general students, okay? And overall it's a 50 marks external examination. So in that external examination, what are the important questions I have already given in our channel. So once check out that important question. So coming back to the explanation topics, if you understand the concept related to Rdbms, you need to know the basic concepts, basic words which we'll use in this subject. Because if I explain normalization topic, I use the word data redundancy because you should know what is mean by data redundancy. Then only will understand the normalization topic. You should know what is mean by data. You should know what is mean by Rdbms. What is the purpose of learning this subject? Everything you should know. Okay. So in this video, I will explain the basic concepts related to Rdbms subject. If you listen this video topics, whatever I am showing in this video, you will understand, you will score O grade in your examination. Okay, so these are the main key points, key important topics of the Rdbms subject. Okay, so let's get into the video. So Rdbms stands for Relational Database Management System, as you all know. What is the purpose of learning it means how we should organize the tables in a data. What is mean by data? What is mean by database? Everything we will discuss in this video. First, the topic is data. You should understand the concept what is mean by data. Then only you will understand this whole subject. This whole subject is related to data only. What is mean by data? What are the servers, client server architecture? What is mean by normalization? What is three-level architecture? If you understand all that concept means, before understanding that concept, you should know the basic concepts like data, database, etc. etc. Like this you need to understand. Okay. So now we will discuss about the topic data. So what is meant by data? Data is a collection of raw facts. Okay, this is the definition of data, and this is important for your 2 marks. They will ask what is meant by data. Then you need to write data is a collection of raw facts. What is meant by raw facts? For example, you will have data means information. Whatever the information we are getting, that is called data, like numbers. In data we will use numbers, audio, video, etc. etc. These are all the raw facts which we are collecting, which is also called as data. The data is a collection of raw facts which is recorded in real world entities. For example, if you want some information, if you want some other information about our channel, whatever you will get that special characteristics, numbers 1 2 3 4 numbers data also you will get. In audio format you will get the data. In video format you will get the data. This is video, is a video data. Okay, so whatever I am presenting in the video is called as data. In the which form I am forwarding? Video format. Okay, so what is meant by data means data is a collection of raw facts which is recorded in real world entities. Example, numbers, audio, video, special characters. You can write like this also. Section number, name, address, like this. Section number is 1, her name is X, for suppose X, and address is a value of characters as well as numbers. Okay, so here you are getting section data in numerical form. In name format you are getting in the characteristics form, alphabetical form, and address you are getting in a characters plus numbers. Like for example 3 dash 10 dash 10 100 slash Hyderabad, Telangana, like that you are getting both numbers as well as the characteristics. If they ask what is mean by data, means data is a collection of raw facts which is recorded in the real world entities, example number, audio, video, characteristics. In the form of all these forms of you will get that data. So this is the data. You should understand what is mean by data. Then only you will understand this concept, all about the whatever concepts you are having in your Rdbms subject. Okay. So now next we will discuss about the information. What is mean by information? So there are few definitions which you need to learn in this subject. Okay, that will be small definitions. Also, you should understand the meaning. Data is a collection of raw facts. It's a small one-line statement, but you should understand the meaning of this data. Okay. So now we will discuss about the information. So what is mean by information? Processed form of data is called information. We are getting the data in numerical form, video, audio and characteristics. Okay. If you are reading an article, you will find audio clips, video clips as well as the information which you are getting all the paragraphs related. What is mean by information means after getting the data we will process the data into sections. Means for example numerical in article, if you see an article, if you read any newspaper also, you will find first they will write all the information related to the topic, then they will post the image. Okay, then they will write the key points. Like this they will arrange in such a space where it is called as information. Processed means we are whatever required for us, that only we are getting into the system, that is called as information. Whatever information is there, if I am explaining this topic to you in this video, I am not explaining whole subject in one video. Whatever required, that is only I am explaining to you all, that is called processed. For example, for example, section number, same previous example only, name, student name and her fees. So hall ticket number is 1, her name is A and her fees is 10,000. Section number, hall ticket number 2, her name is B, her fees is 15,000. Like this we are arranging the data in such a format is known as information. For example, before cooking the food, we want the ingredients which is required for the cook, right? The ingredients whichever we are getting before the cooking is called data, and what are the vegetables we are required for the particular food is called as information. So this is the best example to you all. I think that you will understanding whatever I am saying. Okay, so this is called as information. You know about the data and information. Data means collection of raw facts from various sectors. We will collect the data, and information is nothing but the processed form of data. We are arranging the whatever the format we are getting the data, that we are arranging in the section name, fees, like that we will arrange the data. We will divide the data, whatever required, that is only we will take for the information. Okay. So if I said you to collect in YouTube also, there are various channels about the explanation videos, that is called data. The particular video which you are choosing is the information, like that type of also you can understand. Okay, so now we will discuss the next what is mean by DBMS, whether is database. Okay, database is a interrelated data, means for in a few words, by your own words I can say that data is nothing but storage. Database, whatever in phone also we will have images, videos, audios, songs, means nothing but audios, documents, everything you will have in your phone. Where you will store all these things is database, right? Database is nothing but storage. For example, in Usmania University, there are lakhs of students per year. Okay, BCom, BSc, BBA, Inter, degree, every post graduation, PhD, everything related students data will be in Usmania University, right? So where they will store all the data in the computer system. In computer system, they will have a database. So there we will store all the data in a database. Database is nothing but storing the data in a particular form is known as database. For example, Facebook, YouTube, your favorite Instagram. Okay, these are all the apps, social media apps, Byju's, Zoom, whatever apps may be. So if you open a Facebook, I am the Facebook company owner. If you people all are registering with your number, where I will store? In my house? No, right? Every company, every media will have certain database for their organization. There only they will store all the details of the employees. In college, principal will be there, faculty will be there, students will be there, and non-teaching faculty will be there. That all the related data who is working in an organization where they will store means in database. Okay, I hope that you got understand and clarity about the database. Database is nothing but the storing of data in a database is called as database. Whatever interrelated data we are having, whatever data related to the employees, particular organization, all the data will be stored in a database, that is called as database. Okay, so next we will discuss about the DBMS, database management system. What is meant by database management system? We have learned what is meant by data, what is meant by information, what is meant by database, and we will discuss about the DBMS, database management system. Okay, so database management system, which is known as DBMS. DBMS stands for database management system. Whatever I am discussing in this particular video is 100% you will score and you will get these questions in short questions. Okay, so everything whatever I am explaining, that much only you should write in the examination for 2 marks. Only 2 to 3 lines is enough for to score 2 marks. So DBMS means what? Means we are getting the data, we are process the data into information, right? We are storing the data in a database. What DBMS will do? DBMS will do whichever the interrelated data is there, that they will get certain set of rules, or else you can say that rules or programs for to storage of the data. Okay, there are certain particular programs you will follow to store the data in a management system. DBMS is nothing but giving certain rules and regulation to store the data in a database, right? For example, SQL. SQL is a programming language. C++, right? Oracle, Java, everything. These are all the programs which you will use. These programs, when you will use this program, means to store the data. Whatever the interrelated data we are getting, that we will use certain set of rules and regulations or programs for the storage of the data in a database, that is known as DBMS. I hope that you have got clarity about the DBMS. If they ask DBMS for this 2 marks, DBMS stands for database management system. What it do means, whatever the interrelated data is there, it will add certain rules and regulations or else programs to store the data in a database. Here only 4 to 5 lines is over 100% you will score 2 marks for the question. Okay, so this is the DBMS. Now we will discuss about the R subject, RDBMS. What is meant by RDBMS? Like that we will discuss. Okay, so RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System. What it will do? We have collected the data, we have processed the data, we are entering data, and also we have organized set of rules and regulation for the interrelated data. So what RDBMS do means, whatever the interrelated data with set of programs which you have after the processing, it will arrange the relationship between tables. RDBMS is nothing but organizing the data in the form of tables. If I am getting certain required data, I am arranging all the data in a table format to understand in a better way. What data is the collection of raw facts. After collecting, we will process the information. After processing, we will get the interrelated data, which is called as DB database. And RDBMS, what will do means relational to the tables. Okay, so it is nothing but RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System, and which it is a interrelated data which we are getting with certain programs. After converting it into the DBMS, what all the information what we will do means in the form of tables. In tables, what we will have rows as well as columns. In table, we will have columns, we will have rows. In the form of table, with the help of rows and columns, the data is organized in RDBMS. RDBMS is relationship between the tables and the data. Whereas row is also called as tuple. Another name for row is tuple, and another name for column is attribute. Okay. If they ask what is meant by RDBMS, means it stands for Relational Database Management System. Whatever the interrelated data we are getting from the set of rules and regulations from the programs, it will convert the data into a relationship between the tables in rows as well as columns. Whereas rows is also called as tuple and column is also called as attribute. That's enough. So this is all about the RDBMS. Now another heading what you should know means data redundancy, data integrity. Okay, these are all the certain words which will use in this particular subject. You should know the meaning of that particular words. Okay, now we will discuss about the data redundancy. Data redundancy is nothing but duplication. Okay, if I am duplication means if I am storing a particular name for the n number of times, it is called duplication. In your particular phone also, you will have the duplicate photos, duplicate videos. Means only one video you will have 2 to 3 copies in your phone. Then what will happen? If data redundancy means duplication of data, means one photo 5 to 6 times extra copies you will have, means which it will do means wastage of storage, right? If you store all the same related data in the database, what it will do? It will lack the storage. Storage will be occupied without with the duplication, which is duplication is also called as data redundancy. You should use this word in RDBMS. You should not use this duplication word. Okay. If for example, if name, okay, name, her course is course, and mobile number. Her name is A, she is pursuing BCom, and her number is 12345, and a alternate number also she was giving. Okay, so if I am entering this alternate number again and again in the database, what it will do? It will occupy the space whichever it is having in the database, which it leads to data duplication. Means duplication is nothing but data redundancy. For example, in your phone also, you will have certain documents which is having extra copies. Will you use or will you keep that in the phone? No, we will delete it because one copy is enough to store the data in a database. Again and again, you should not use this particular name, which is called as data redundancy. Data redundancy is nothing but duplication of data, which it lacks lack of storage, right? So next we will discuss about the data integrity. Data integrity means exactness or correctness. whatever data required, I should required means that only I should store in the database. Data integrity means if I am collecting particular data, that should be correct, that should be exact to the point. For example, if I am explaining Rdbms subject in this video, I will not use business statistics subject in the middle, because whatever you want means that only I will explain. Whatever the information related to the Rdbms, that only information I am explaining to you all. That is called as integrity of data. Data integrity. Data integrity means particular data is required or not, that only we should store in a database. Data integrity means exactness or correctness of the data. Whatever data we should require, that only we should want. Okay, for example, you want RDBMS explanation. Will you listen mathematics class or business statistics class? No. Whatever data you want, that only you should store in the database. No extra storage of data should not be used in the database. Whatever the correct data you are getting, correct information you are getting, that is called as data integrity, exact to the point. In this video, I am exactly correcting the information related to RDBMS, not about the other subjects. So that is called as integrity. Integrity means correctness. In what form you should correct data? Whatever the data you are getting, that should be correct to the point and exact to the point. That is called as data integrity. So in this video, you have learned what is mean by data, what is mean by information, what is mean by DBMS, what is mean by database, what is mean by RDBMS, data redundancy and data integrity. These are the 7 points you should know the meaning about the RDBMS if you want to learn the further upcoming topics. If you don't know meaning of this also, you will not at all understand the other remaining topics. Just you need to by heart the answers, you need to remember in your brain, and you need to write that answer in the examination. You should understand the concept, then you can write own by your own. Okay. So whatever I have discussed the topics, make a note of it. The PDFs of related RDBMS Unit 1 or Unit 1 to Unit 5 already I have uploaded in Telegram as well as the WhatsApp group. So if you want the notes PDF, then go and join in Telegram group. You will find the PDFs, or else you can join WhatsApp group also for the upcoming PDFs which I will post in the further upcoming. Okay. So these are the topics which you are having in RDBMS. You should watch this video before watching the upcoming videos. Then you will not at all understand. Simply something I will tell, something you will listen. Okay. So this is all about the RDBMS video, because many of the students have requested for this particular RDBMS subject, because nobody has that much knowledge related to the RDBMS. So that's why I have done this video in English communication, because everyone should understand. Because many of the students have requested me to do the Telugu, because in Telugu there are not many channels for the explanation of the degree subjects. So in upcoming videos, I will try to explain in both languages. So finally, this is all about the introduction to RDBMS video. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment me whether my explanation is good or bad, or I should influence some topics, whatever it may be. Just comment me in the comment section, so definitely I will rectify from the next video onwards. Okay, so all the very best for your preparation. If you're having any doubts regarding the studies, you can comment me in the comment section. Definitely I will try to rectify and try to answer your query. Okay, so once again, all the very best and thank you so much. Good luck.